Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today our week of making eggs because your girl's lazy. For this you will need a frying pan, a knife to cut your butter, and eggs. Because are you stupid? Hi, I'm looking good today, honestly. So when your pan is all hot and ready, okay, you want to take your butter. You want to take a small serving, like your brain, small. You just want to take a small serving of butter and just put it in your pan. Put some butter in it. Okay, small serving. See? And we'll just flop it in your pan. And then put your butter up. Clean your silverware. Thank God it landed on my feet. Or, well, my hands. Also set your burner on 7 or low. Watch this. I'm so culinary. Also grease your sides. Because you're not stupid. You know to grease your sides. Because if you don't, you're going to get egg on them. If you really want to get it buttery, with that small serving we used, because we don't want to be fat. I'm fat. If you're fat, I'm sorry. Oh my God. I just offended a whole group of nations. Ow! I'm great at cooking. And we just want to take your egg. We're going to crack it. And we're just going to flop you down. Just going to flop you down. Oh, and we're going with scrambled eggs. So, you just want to, whisk your eggs. Am I a housewife yet? See, I was going for a fried egg, which we'll try that next. I won't fail. So I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Then you want to lightly salt them. And this is what they should look like when they're done. And then go get your butter again. Oh, about time. Then you just want to crack it. Drop your butter. Yeah, just drop your butter. You're going to crack your egg. Make sure it's fully cracked this time. There you go. So this is what our eggs should look like while you... And eat your other eggs while you're waiting on your other egg to cook. Those are good. Dang. I'm a great cook. Always remember, you just want to casually burn it. Just a bit. Hope you guys enjoyed that little, comedy cooking video. Feel free to try it. Bye, guys.